Hello, my friends. Today I will show you how to draw another handsome boy step by step. Now let's start. The first step is to sketch outlines. You can either choose to use the traditional grid method, which involves drawing a grid over your reference photo and then drawing a grid of equal ratio on your paper, then transfer the image square by square. Or you can take advantage of digital painting. Just take a screenshot of my drawing, import it into your drawing app, then create a new layer on top to trace. The second step is to finalize the outlines. Nowadays, all drawing apps have features to make smooth lines. You just need to find the tool and turn it on. Then as you are drawing the squiggly line, the line will appear to be dragging behind your pencil and come out smooth. However, even with stroke stabilizer turned on, it could be hard to draw super long lines. The secret to draw a perfect long line is to break it down and then draw each section on a separate layer, then merge the layers together. For the second step, the most important thing is to make sure there is no gaps between lines, so we can fill in base colors properly in the third step. Warm colors like reds, yellows, and oranges are associated with active feelings, while cool colors like blues, greens, and purples are widely believed to be calming and healing. We should also follow the three-color rule in fashion and reduce the colors that we use to make our drawing more peaceful and relaxing. The fourth step is to add shadows and highlights. Just imagine where the light source is, so you can locate roughly where to add shadows and where to add highlights. Remember, the purpose of shading is to divide big areas of solid colors into smaller pieces to make your drawing sophisticated. So there is no absolute right or wrong of what shapes the shadows or highlights should be. Be brave and follow your heart. If you like the video, please click like, subscribe, or comment. Thank you. Bye.